Hi everyone, welcome to Recipes and Blog with Swati. My name is Swati and today I'm going to talk about new rule regarding NOC in Oman. In this video, I will be giving you terms and conditions regarding this new rule. So in June 2020, the government announced the removal of NOC system, enabling expats to switch their jobs from January 2021. I have also prepared a video related to this in which I have shared all the related current situation in Oman and what we can expect from this new rules and regulation. In case if you want to check that, you can also check. I will put that link in description box. So according to the new rule, expats looking to move jobs can only do so once their existing employment contracts have expired. It means if you are still in your contract, then you can't change job even under this abolishment of NOC rule. Next, some companies in Oman hand out contracts ranging between 3 to 24 months, means around 2 years. So technically, you can only change your job only if you complete your agreement, be it 3 months, 6 months, 12 months or 24 months. So this is very crucial point to know because I have received many query related to this particular contract related clause. And the next clause is that you can't join a direct competitor. It means if you are in, for example, you are a civil engineer, then in that case, you can't join that company which is directly in competition with your current employer. So this is a kind of restriction which you can't break, and you have to see that if company is in your direct competition or not in case if you are planning to move. This document of a new rule also state that the expat are not allowed to divulge any confidential information on their old company to their new companies. So this can be assured by signing a non-disclosure agreement, that is NDA, and non-competition agreement. So in case if you are moving, then you have to sign these contracts that you will not disclose policies related to your old employer to the new employer. Next, it means that your employment contract can include a non-competition clause, which is important to know. Next, under one rule, which is Omanization, in this case also depending on the nature of work, Omani workers will be given priority provided the salary is paid to both expats and locals for doing this job are of a roughly similar amount. Means if there is a competition with the Omani worker and an expat, then priority should be given to the Omani worker. This is a rule in Oman which is known as Omanization. Now next, because many people are now willing to change their employer to prevent expats from leaving companies in huge numbers, contracts will also have the presence of a notification clause or a condition of for compensation when the workers move to another company, which must be mentioned in the employment agreement. So this is just to make sure that not many people move from one place to another employer, where there should be a presence of notification clause. So this is about terms and conditions related to new NOC rule. In case if you find this informative, then make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel and share this with your family and friends. I will see you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.